Disabling two-factor authentication on Hulu can help simplify your login process. Follow these steps to turn off the security feature. Step 1. Log into your Hulu account. Visit the Hulu website or open the Hulu app and sign in with your username and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This can typically be found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the upper right corner of the screen. Step 3. Go to Security Settings. In the Account Settings menu, look for a section labeled Security or Privacy. Click on this option to access your two-factor authentication settings. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Find the option for two-factor authentication. There should be a toggle switch or checkbox that allows you to disable this feature. Click to turn it off. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling two-factor authentication, you may be prompted to confirm your choice. Follow any on-screen instructions to finalize the changes. Once you have completed these steps, two-factor authentication will be disabled on your Hulu account. Always remember to keep your account secure with a strong password.